Hello guys, welcome to my channel Missy Dev's Natural DIY. How are you guys? I hope all of you are doing great. It's been a long time since I uploaded any video. So I thought why not resume my YouTube videos with an effective and useful solution for fast hair growth and shiny and lustrous hair. This remedy will work like a magic for the frizzy and damaged hair, and for this you will need a magical ingredient which is flaxseed gel. Yes, this is right now quite viral on the internet, and yes, it's useful and quite effective. Flax seeds are enriched in vitamin B and E. Even it's enriched and rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which is very effective for hair growth and healthy scalp as well. For this, you will need 1/4 cup of flax seeds and 2.5 cups of water. So first of all, take a bowl and pour 1/4 cup of flax seeds and 2.5 cups of water into it. You can choose any sort of flax seeds that is available in the market, and this is also available on the internet like Amazon, Flipkart. So I have purchased it from Grofers, and this particular brand that I have used in this gel formation is also available in the Amazon. I have just posted a video on the branded product that I have used in this particular video in my Instagram handle. If you just want to go and check it out, which product I have used for this flaxseed. And so first of all, you have to pour this and you have to bring to boil on medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, and do stir it often, otherwise it will stick to the bottom of the pan, or else it will form any kind of lumps into it. And just set it aside for at least 1 hour, so let it cool. And after 45 minutes you can just strain it into a glass container or a mason jar, whatever you choose. And for straining it, you have two options. You can go for two options. One is you can use a strainer to strain the gel out of it. Otherwise you can go for a very thin cloth, so that you can just squeeze the gel out of it and take out the only gel and not the flax seeds from it. So I have shown you the two options that you could choose from, whichever is easier for you. This gel is absolutely effective for your hair. It strengthens your hair from the roots. Even it's give your hair a very lustrous a shine, and it is the most effective method I have ever come across for the frizz and the damaged hair, because it really gives your hair a very good shine, as if you just took a spa from a salon. It really gives you that kind of shine to your hair. And even it reduces hair thinning. After applying flaxseed gel for a longer period of time, you will get a volume on your hair, because I have seen these changes, because I have used flaxseed gel for a long time. And whoever want to have a extra benefit with this flaxseed gel, they can use any kind of essential oils. Either you can choose tea tree oil or lavender oil. Tea tree oil for those who have dandruff on their scalp or itchy scalp. Tea tree oil will be very effective for those people. And lavender, anybody can choose lavender oil as an essential oil to add to the flaxseed gel. I have applied lavender oil into the gel and I'm mixing it. I will store it in the freezer, because you can store this flaxseed gel at least for a week or so. So I'm going to store it and I will apply it on my hair tomorrow. So as you can see guys, I'm going to apply the flaxseed gel on my hair right now. I don't have anybody to hold my camera right now, so I am just doing it like this, so that you can understand how I have applied the gel on my hair. And slowly I'm going to apply the gel on my scalp and my hair. And after that I will just flip my hair in the front side, and I will just put the gel from the backwards to the front, so that all the gels is properly applied on my root, as well as from to the every hair strand. This lavender oil that I have added to this gel, it is giving a very soothing fragrance. It is giving us such a soothing fragrance. Even there are lots of flaxseed gels, the ready-made the product of flaxseed gel available in the market. If you're short in time you can also opt for those. And before you do so, do some research works and see which flaxseed gels will be appropriate for you. Hey guys, you just have to, apply the gel on your hair and tie a top knot on your head and let it dry, and after that wash it off. I guess you can see the way I apply, and you can apply according to that. Even when you just apply on the back of your hair, just flip it and apply from the back side, and then tie a knot and let it dry like this. This flaxseed gel will do wonders on your hair. And if you do like this kind of videos and content, do like and subscribe my channel so that I can upload more informative videos like this as well. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Bye bye.